channel. Today we are talking about geopolitical tensions in 2024. These are conflicts and disputes between countries that affect the entire world. Let's break it down in simple terms so everyone can understand what's happening and why it matters. Russia and Ukraine. One of the biggest issues right now is the conflict between Russia and Ukraine. This started back in 2014 but got much worse in 2022 when Russia invaded Ukraine. This war has caused a lot of destruction, loss of life, and has affected global food and energy supplies because Ukraine and Russia are big producers of wheat and gas. China and Taiwan. Another major tension is between China and Taiwan. China claims Taiwan as its own territory, but Taiwan sees itself as independent. Recently, China has increased military activities around Taiwan, raising fears of a possible invasion. This situation is tense and affects global trade because Taiwan produces many of the world's computer chips. The South China Sea. The South China Sea is another hotspot. China, along with several other countries like the Philippines, Vietnam, and Malaysia, claims part of this sea. This sea is important because it's a major shipping route and has lots of natural resources. There have been many confrontations over control of this region. The Middle East. The Middle East continues to face many conflicts. For example, the war in Syria has been ongoing for over a decade. There are also tensions between Israel and Iran, which concerns about nuclear weapons. These conflicts often have deep historical roots and involve various ethnic and religious groups. North Korea. North Korea remains a concern due to its nuclear weapons program. The country has conducted several missile tests causing worries in South Korea, Japan, and the wider world. Diplomatic efforts to stop North Korea's nuclear activities have not been very successful so far. Global impact. These geopolitical tensions have a big impact on the world. They can cause economic problems such as higher prices for oil and gas, dispute global trade, and lead to military conflicts that affect many countries. They also cause human suffering, with people being displaced from their homes and needing humanitarian aid. What can be done? Solving these issues is very complex. It often requires diplomatic talks, international pressures, and something peacekeeping missions. Countries around the world, including the United Nations, try to mediate and find peaceful solutions, but it's not always easy. Conclusion. Geopolitical tensions in 2024 are serious and affect us all in different ways. By understanding these issues, we can be more informed about what's happening in the world and why it's important to work towards peace and stability.